Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Dollar pairs gains on improved risk sentiment after shrugging off US-China tensions. http ntvforex.com News ID DF8A3E 7/23/2022 17:02 AM. Market Review 22/07/2023 4:09 GMT. Dollar pairs gains on improved risk sentiment after shrugging off US-China tensions. Although the greenback rose in European morning on renewed US-China tensions after the United States told China to close the Houston consulate, dollar paired intraday gains and fell against majority of its peers, except for safe haven Japanese yen on return of risk appetite after market shrugged off the news. Reuters reported the United States said on Wednesday it had ordered the closure of China's consulate in Houston. Spokesperson for the State Department Morgan Ortagus said. Earlier on Wednesday, China said the closure was an unprecedented escalation and said it would retaliate if the US did not revoke the decision. Versus the Japanese yen, although dollar retreated from 106.89 at Asian Open to 106.72, renewed buying emerged and price gained to 107.06 in European morning on active safe haven USD buying on renewed US-China tensions before retreating to 106.88. However, the pair then rose to session highs at 107.28 in New York afternoon cross-selling in JPY and then moved sideways. The single currency extended its recent gains and edged up to 1.1547 in Asia before falling to session lows at 1.1508 in European morning on safe haven USD buying. However, the pair found renewed buying and later rose to a 21-month high at 1.1601 in New York morning due to return of risk sentiment. Price then weakened to 1.1564 on profit taking. The British pound went through a roller coaster ride. Although cable met renewed selling at 1.2740 at Asian Open and intraday fall accelerated at European and dropped to session lows at 1.2644 on renewed no-deal Brexit concerns together with active buying in USD on US-China tension, the pair staged a strong rebound to 1.2743 in New York on return on risk appetite. Reuters reported Britain and the European Union will fail to sign a post-Brexit trade deal with only a few days left before Prime Minister Boris Johnson's July deadline, The Telegraph reported. The UK government's assumption is that there won't be a deal, though it remains possible that a basic agreement could be reached if the EU gives ground in the autumn, the newspaper said, citing government sources. Data to be released on Thursday. Japan market holiday, Australia NAB business confidence, Germany GfK consumer sentiment, France business climate, UK CBI trends orders, US initial jobless claims, continued jobless claims, leading index change, KC Fed manufacturing index, and EU consumer confidence. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.